So I'm here at the outlet mall. I'm gonna go to the Nike outlet and I'm gonna check out one of my partner's spots, Sneakerheads. Say hey, Kazaya. I gotta get her some shoes and maybe I'm gonna cop something myself. All right, so here I'm inside of the store. You all specialize in exclusive joints, right?
Exclusive, only exclusive. Yeah, Sneakerheads 23.
All right, so I used to work with Jig at Home Depot. How long we worked together?
I wasn't that long. I wasn't that long at all. I probably was there for about 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, briefly, tell me real quick before we start talking about the kids. You said you had a degree in what?
I had a degree. I got a degree in computer engineering. I
From?
graduated from Mississippi State. I graduated undergraduate at Mississippi State. Then I went to University of Memphis for graduate. So I've been all over the place.
All right, so show me some heat. Let me see some
so
heat.
We got, rest in peace to Kobe Bryant, man.
Yeah, those
we got
the Mambas.
We got the Black Mambas. All right, we got some Nike Sakai's. There is one hot sneaker as well. As y'all can see, all the dunks. Y'all know Nike dunks is probably one of the hottest shoe from last summer to we back at the summer again. As y'all can see.
What's your bestseller dunk?
Bestseller dunk. Our number one bestseller dunk. I know everybody hated Panda dunks. Everybody hate it, but I mean, it's the most. It's every day. You can't go wrong with it. Black and white. It's every day.
These running for
$250. $250. But we got some steals for y'all. We got major steals going on right now. As y'all can see, all these shoes on the counter right here. We got all these for $100.
Hold on, what size you got these joints in? Size
right 12.
For real? For $100?
For $100.
No, these might come home with me. Hey, these might
the Tiana Taylors.
Oh, these the Tiana Taylors?
The Tiana Taylors, yep. $100. It's 11 and a half. It's a women's 13, men's 11 and a half.
Man, I wear 12.
Yep.
I need a cop something.
Yep. We got all these right here. $100 buy as is now. You know what I'm saying?
What's with the Shrek joints?
We got the Shrek Crocs, limited edition joints. And let me grab a heater just to show y'all. Like we got Travis Scott's in the building.
Man, I might have to cop these.
Ooh, we got size 11 Travis Scott. This shoe right here goes for $1,800.
What they run for now?
$1,800. Brand new
Here?
in the box. Yes. We keep them in the back. We only bring out exclusive when somebody asks what y'all got exclusive that can't nobody see. That's when we go to the back and grab exclusive.
The joint's fire.
Yeah. $1,100.
That's
$1,800. Yep. $1,800. Yep.
How many pair you have?
In my collection?
Yeah.
I got over 170 range. But
the Travis Scotts?
No, of shoes, period.
Okay.
Of Travis's, I probably got like 4.
So I see these Yeezys over here. I know Kanye said there's a whole bunch of fake Yeezys out now.
Yeah, I mean, he's trying to say that so don't nobody shop with Adidas. So it makes sense.
Okay.
It makes sense. He just doing that to say this, you know what I'm saying, because it's Adidas. But
y'all got the 11s too, man.
We got the 11s. We got the 12s. We got the Jordan 3s. We got the hottest Jordan in that's going out right now. The Jordan 4s, right beside you on the left hand side. Yeah, we got
right here?
4s. Them is probably all the kids love Jordan 4s. I don't know why, but it's probably one of the hottest shoes.
Well, see right here, I can see my stepdaughter on these joints right here. Yeah, these are dope.
Yeah.
Those are dope. Man, I might have to get. Man, I ain't had me a pair of J's in a minute. You know, I always wanted me a pair of these, but man, you can't never find them nowhere.
Yeah, the Concords.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, hold up. How much is the this Shador joint right here?
The Shador, yeah, we got this a black on.
How much is that joint right there?
We got that one for $45.
That's not bad.
Front and back Shador.
Okay. Well, man, I appreciate it, man.
No problem, man. You know it's always love.
Okay. Yeah.